So we know why classics are a classic for a reason, and today I'm going to review one of the most well-renowned fragrance houses, Penhaligon's Halfeti Leather, which is well known worldwide for being a classic fragrance which is extremely smooth, luxurious, and is known as a pinnacle of a winter or autumn fragrances. So this is Halfeti Leather by Penhaligon's. This is the box, and being a fragrance collector, I feel this is something that I should have in my fragrance collection. Perfumer is Cristiano Provenzano, which I adore a lot because he had some great hits. And Penhaligon's is one of the most well-recognized perfume done by him. So let me tell you a small story or inspiration behind the fragrance. Halfeti is a small village in Turkey, and all the ingredients that are in this or the notes that are mentioned in this fragrance are procured or were traded in Turkey in ancient times. The bottle is quite cute, that is very staple of Penhaligon's, but ultimately what matters is the juice. Let's try this and see what's the hype about. I think this is a perfect starter entrant oriental fragrance for someone who wants to explore oud. This is something that anybody can rock because I feel it's a very unisex fragrance and quite layerable, especially in winter. Let me tell you quickly the notes. It has cypress leaf, saffron, cardamom, which gives you that creaminess, sweetness. Then there is bergamot, grapefruit, artemisia, which actually I can see at the opening that there is this quite freshness that I can feel from the bergamot. In middle notes, we have nutmeg, jasmine. The base notes, we have agarwood, which is oud, very well known. Then we have cedar, leather, sandalwood, amber, tonka, vanilla, and musk, which gives smooth, creamy, luxurious base that we all crave for in winter. Let me try it on my skin and see how do we feel about it. I think this is one of those fragrances that will make you feel that you are rich. Because guys, this gives me that feeling of being in a royal castle, and it makes me feel that I'm a queen that's gonna rule her empire. It makes me feel quite powerful, I feel. Opens up very spicy and fresh. In the middle, it gets floral, and the base has this beautiful leather, cedar, sandalwood, which is quite well blended. The sandalwood and amber and tonka gives it that creamy base that, it doesn't make the fragrance extremely sharp on your nose. And that's why it's the best seller, I guess, from the Penhaligon's. Very happy to have this in my collection, although this was a blind buy. So guys, that's it from me for Penhaligon's Halfeti Leather. If you like these fragrances, go and check out in your countries. I think there will be a Penhaligon's store. If not, maybe you can ship it internationally. And yeah, have a great day. Thank you.